Hey guys, Rhett here down in Birmingham at a client's property that he just got under contract. Want to walk you through it, talk about the rehab, and talk about what we need to have done to get this thing up, running, and really nice for Section 8. So come on in. I'm going to close the door. It's a little bit loud out there. So guys, this is a big house, and it's been on the market for only a couple days. We just scooped it for $74,000, okay? And it needs a lot of work, but here's the thing. It's a little bit deceptive in the work that it needs. So we're gonna walk through it and show you guys what it needs and why it needs it. Mosquitoes, they're already in the house. Okay,
Thank you.
So guys, starting off right here, we have an old steam heat system, okay? This is not gonna be great for Section 8. Now, there is full HVAC here. It's really nice. So we have to have this and we have to have this removed, okay? This needs to go. Right here, we need to replace panes on this window. It's got all broken glass and it's been taped closed. Gotta get rid of this also. Otherwise, the whole house needs to be painted, okay? It needs all new paint here. We need to have an electrician come in and look at this. The electricity is on. I don't know what has been going on over there, but it looks like it's caulked. I don't know what it is. There's no cover. It looks dangerous, okay? A lot of paint, okay? We gotta paint this whole thing, and it's a big house. All right, guys? So as we come into this room, so we go from our living room entryway to a big, nice, formal dining room, and here we're gonna put a new window in here, okay? Keep in mind, this house needs flooring throughout the whole thing. All this hardwood has been ruined by paint. It's scuffed, it's dirty, it's unbelievably old. It's all ruined. We don't plan on sanding and refinishing it. That would cost us probably upwards of $6,000. So what we're gonna do is a lot of hardwood. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna carpet the entire house, okay? A lot cheaper, and the people we'll end up putting in this house are more often than not gonna have children. It's way more friendly to have tenants with children on carpet than it is on hardwood, okay? They like it a lot better. So, same story, guys. This whole room needs to be painted. You can see how shoddy a lot of the paint work is here on this wall, okay? Kind of a theme throughout this whole house. The work that's been done here has been really, really bad, okay? We gotta come in here and redo it, unfortunately, and that costs time and money. So coming in here, you look first and you say, wow, nice flooring, it looks great. Okay, let's dive into that. Number one, let's talk about the walls first. All this needs to be, we have to sheetrock this the right way, mud it, and repaint it. The whole thing's falling apart, okay guys? Second off, and it's hard for you to feel it, under my feet, terribly soft. This floor is coming up. Actually, you might be able to see it right here. This whole, guys, look at this. This whole floor is coming up. It's awful. It's terribly done. It's like that throughout this room and the kitchen. We're gonna tear all this up. We're gonna put all new flooring down, okay? Gotta paint this wall. Gotta paint everything in here. We come in here. Room looks great, okay? It's got a new countertop. It's got cabinets that have all been painted, all right? However, look at the floor. Terrible. Look at, I can literally take this and just pull it right up, okay? It's awful. We gotta pull all this up. So it looks good at first, but it's not good. Right here, we have to paint this. We're gonna have to mud this, fix this. It's disgusting, it's terrible, okay? Now, what I don't understand and what I constantly see, guys, and we have to remember this, we're providing people with a nice place to live, okay? So, I don't understand the intentions of a lot of sellers because you go into this room and it's paint all over the floor, it looks like crap. You come into this room, everything's done super shoddy. Now let's come in here. And Kyle, if you can, show everybody just what it looks like in this room. So,
Oh, it's bad.
we have significant rot, extreme water damage, okay? We have paint chips falling from the ceiling, paint chips all over the floor. We have a shoddy floor similar to the kitchen. Kyle, if you can, see if you can get that with the all the paint hanging off.
Oh my word. Oh yeah.
So, you know, guys, it's just one of those things that we really need to come in here and redo a lot of this stuff. It doesn't matter that someone has done it already if it's not done right. So, coming in here, look around, check the ceiling, okay? We're gonna do two things in this room. Check the ceiling, check the floor. We need to take all that paint down. We need to put new ceiling up. On the floor, floor's ruined, covered in paint. We don't plan on sanding it and refinishing it. We're gonna cover it in carpet, okay? It's gonna be quicker, it's gonna be definitely more effective, and it's gonna be cheaper, okay? So, coming through here, we need all new closet doors. All these closet doors are broken. They're broken, the bedroom doors are dirty, they're gross, they're old, it needs all new doors. Okay, guys? We need all new covers for electrical outlets. Majority of covers are broken, okay? While the electric is still going. Again, we have just a lot of issues here. So, it just needs a lot of work, guys, and it might look good on the surface, and you might say it doesn't look good on the surface. I would agree with you. But all the fans need to come down. The interior of doors, you could say, oh, these doors look good. They don't look good. Look at that. We need all new closet doors, new bedroom doors. So, you know, people will ask, now, Rhett, if the bedroom comes with these, can we get more rent? And I would say, no, we can't. Because some people won't be a fan of that, okay? The old tenants left their handcuffs in there, all right?
Oh.
So, coming in here, guys, into this hallway, again, we're in this strange situation where at first glance the house looked great, but you come in here, again, it needs all new updates on the ceiling. We gotta redo the ceiling, new light fixture in here as well. Coming through here into the bathroom. Bathroom floor is a disaster. And the wall on the bathroom all needs to be repainted and redone. So very shoddy in there also. Even though some things look decent in here, when you look at it closely, it's terrible. Look at the door. You spend all this money and the door is a total piece of crap. It's got nails sticking through it. Okay? Super dangerous. Right? We need a new door, okay? Coming into the third and final bedroom, look at this door. So you spend all the money to come in here, look at the door handle. It's terrible, it's embarrassing, okay? It really is, it's terrible. So, but we just take the door off, put a new door, and it's fine. However, the rest of the room needs to be done. So we carpet it, we have a big hole in the floor right here that's rotted through. I can see underneath into the crawl space, okay? Everything in here needs to be painted. New closet doors in here as well. We'll need to make sure that all the windows are operable. These are all old original windows, okay? We'll have to make sure that they operate and form a second egress for this bedroom. Disgusting ceiling fan, take it down, okay? New outlet switches. Again, the electrical in here will need to be upgraded and checked out by an electrician. This is an irrelevant switch because the switch is inside of the wall. You can't even get to it. So, and then it has a brand new security system, so don't fear, okay? It's just one of those things, guys, that it just doesn't make sense. So on this rehab, the purchase price, $74,000, we're gonna get that knocked down. The rehab on this is going to be $35K, okay? So what we'll end up doing is we'll try to knock that price down closer to $60,000. At 20% will be, if it's at 60, it's $12,000 down, plus $35 to get in here. The client will be looking to get into this for about $47,000, $48,000 all in, and we'll get definitely over $1,000 a month for this place because once it's done the right way, it's in an unbelievably nice neighborhood. It's in a great spot. And it's huge. So it's a gigantic 3-bedroom with plenty of space. So without a doubt, probably at least 1,100, even closer to 1,200 on an investment under 50K. Pretty dang good, guys. So that's where we're at right now, and definitely leave your questions and comments below. I look forward to hearing them, and we'll see you next time.